Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I want to get on and guide you through the process of setting halibut gear. I know there's plenty of videos out there, but I just want to break it down for you step by step, for those of you who might be a little bit uncertain on how this works. So let's dive in, and I hope you find this helpful. Okay, so here's a little illustration of what it looks like when it's in the water. So you see up the top there, you got the buoy, it goes to the bottom anchor, across the bottom, then back to the top. Okay, here I am now getting the buoy line ready to run out. Clip on the poly buoy on the top end. That runs out first actually, the buoy and the eye flyer. And on the bottom we tie the anchor and the gear. You'll see that there in a minute. As you can see, I don't have much room board there. With all that gear back on the deck, there's not much room to get around. But it's a beautiful morning, so that makes everything a lot easier. So here I am now. I'm going to tie the mooring into the anchor with a 1/2 inch, and I'll tuck the end just to be safe. Makes it harder to pull through. I get a little sip of coffee here now. So that tells you that we're not very far from land. We usually we're probably about 3 to 4 miles off land right now, which that's the beauty about our coast. You don't have to steam that far to go catch a meal fish, halibut, cod, all different species, redfish, hake, flounder, you name it, it's on our coast. So like I said before, you clip the eye flyer first, and you got probably about 3 fathom space between the eye flyer and the poly buoy. The eye flyer is basically makes it easier to see, and it also has a radar reflector, so our radar picks up the gear. The buoy takes the strain, and the eye flyer is the backup, I guess you call it. So here we go, getting it ready. Eye flyer first, then your buoy. Then we run out this buoy line that I was telling you about. It's probably, like I say, I think it's 150 fathom more in here. Dropped in, I think it was like 130 fathom. Yeah, so we're just idling along here now, running out this buoy line. We don't usually have much throttle on. Just keep it away from the boat until we get ready to drop the anchor and start setting the gear. So here you go. We're running the gear out now, hook after hook. I didn't get a clip of the anchor going overboard, but you'll see it on the opposite end there when we get all the gear out. As you can see, hooks are flying out. We steam probably about 3 to 4 knots. Depends on what kind of area we're in. You can go faster, but I find the faster we go, the more bait probably will flick off the hooks. Again, this is a very nice morning, so it makes it a lot easier to do this job. But it can get dangerous back there when you got hooks flying all around. Like reaching for that tub there now, there could be a hook flying out, hook you by the arm. And it's nice to have a knife by, just in case you do get hooked up, you could just chop the stud. There are people known to have got hooks in their hands and had to tear them out just with the string. Okay, we got that string done. I think it's 5 tubs in a string. You can see the anchor here now, tied into the bottom of the yellow mooring, and the other piece tied into the trawl. There it goes, and there goes the anchor. Okay, so to the end of the mooring now. We had black on we had tie piece on because it was deeper than we thought. I think it's like 200 fathom, and we clipped 2 buoys on the outside end. 1, number 2, and that's how we set halibut gear. I hope you enjoyed this little illustration, and I'm open to put more videos up of halibuting. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.